Hello, welcome to day 40. Congratulations. We made it 40 days of trading crypto. Just adjusting myself here. So, a couple of decent news today. Not too crazy either. Today we are in an uptrend for Bitcoin, so that's not too bad. We reclaimed the 60,000 mark. Yesterday we had the initial dip all the way down here, of course. One second. Okay. And from there, of course, we were in this range for a while. We pushed ourselves up. Now we're in this range, so we're going to stay here for a while, it seems like, until we get some news. We had a nice green candle over here. Big whale activity going on. Same thing with this one. There's a 3% candle in the 1 hour chart, and this is a 2% candle, almost 3% candle in the 1 hour chart as well. So as of right now, Bitcoin's price is $60,688. Not too bad either. Up 1.64%. Most coins are up, some are down 0.5% approximately. Not too crazy either. So yeah, pretty decent day. I don't think we entered any previous trades. Let me confirm. Other than the ones that we have already written down. We entered these 4 trades yesterday, while, of course, Donald Trump and Elon Musk were live yesterday. It was an interesting interview that we saw. Talk about a lot of good topics. Although there was some outrage, of course, as expected, from that interview, which we'll get into some of that soon. It's nothing too serious, though. Current equity of the account is $11,982. Remember, we started off with $10,000, so we're up approximately $2,000. But we've been struggling in this kind of zone for a while now. A couple of scammed trades where we were about to hit a take profit of 200, but we ended up dipping all the way back down to 100 loss. And then when I put a stop loss in positive territory, it just immediately goes to that, and then it would have gone to my take profit. So there's no winning. Really don't know what to do here, other than this is most likely the strategy is to just let the trade flow. Even if my take profit was an inch close to touching it, I'm not going to modify the trades in any way. I feel like that's the best course of action. As of right now, I'm not positively confident in using a trailing stop loss on my trades until I figured out a decent strategy that can take good use of that. So yeah, that's where we're at for now. RSI indicator, I have it here for no reason, but that's fine. I like to have it there. So 1 hour chart, like I said, uptrend for Bitcoin. I'm going to note that down in my Excel spreadsheet. Up. Next, we have Ethereum, which is down 0.30%. Not too crazy either. It's still at $2,705. I think it's still been at this level, 2,600. Yeah, 2,600, 2,700, approximately around those levels. And it's kind of maintained this uptrend, kind of. Yep, still pretty decent in my opinion. So that would stay here. Okay, and it is considered in an uptrend as well, although it is starting to come down a little bit. Possibilities of an upswing though, so we can take a look into Ethereum in the 1 minute chart to see if we have anything. As of right now, not yet, but I'm liking these bottoms that we see here. Look at how many times we touched it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll keep an eye out for this level. Looks like we will be entering Ethereum today. Once we get a good enough dip, this dip looks nice. So I'll prepare the stop level at least. But I'm not going to enter the trade quite yet. And I'm probably actually going to have to open another tab just to keep track of the other coins as well as keep track as this one. So the stop level would be 783 ticks right there approximately. Not too bad. And risk reward 1 to 2. I'm expecting something like this to happen. Like that. Like that would be ideal. Something like that. Okay, and of course this is going to be a long trade. We're looking for long positions. Switching this to the VST account, and I'll just enable the stop level right over here. Right there. If this dips far down enough, I'm expecting. But yeah, this is a good low level, so I'd appreciate if we can enter a trade here. Just going to add some margin in here, but I'm not going to enter the trade quite yet. We'll keep this in our vision, you know. Cool. Next coin we can look at is Ripple, which is up 0.70%. Not considered in any general trend. I'm bringing back the super trend because I do really like it. So we're keeping it there. but we do not operate Ripple today. I'm leaving it as neutral. Chainlink, well, I mean, the price of Ripple is 57 cents. Forgot to mention that. Chainlink is up 0.59%. A lot of these coins, not too much movement, although in the 1 hour chart, it's indicating in an uptrend. So we can look for possible upswings if we can find any long positions. Let's have a look at it right now, see what's going on. Currently in a down motion, and kind of the same thing that we saw with Ethereum, right? We saw a bunch of dips here, 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 and here, and here. Multiple levels that it touches that lower level. So I'd like to enter a trade, possibly, if we can find an entrance here. Is my window making too much? I have my window open. I don't know if you can hear a motorcycle running out there, but it's okay. So let's, I don't even know if I should use this level or this level. When was this? 2 p.m. 2 p.m. levels. Yeah, I'll take all the help I can get. So I mean, maybe it's not that bad either. I'll just use this low because we also broke through that. So yeah, this is the lowest one. I'll take use of this. Stop level would be 48. This is our stop price. So I will enter that here with some sufficient margin. And we might see some swings soon. Same thing with Ethereum. Not quite yet though, but very soon. So we got to keep a track of those as well. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to open another tab then. All right. Well, here we go. Next coin we can look at is Litecoin, which is up 1.65%, considered in a uptrend, definitive uptrend. And its price is $63.21. Chainlink is still at the $10.57 mark. Still waiting for that confirmation of the upswing. Matter of fact, turning this off, and same with Ethereum. I don't want the price to interfere with my decision of me confirming the cross of the 3 moving averages. How about that? I'm pretty smart, huh? Alright. Litecoin, yeah, pretty much doing the same thing, going up. Let's see if we can find an upswing here as well. Any good stop levels to put it? I feel like this has a better positioning of a stop level with these lows right here. Looks like I'm going to be entering a couple of trades here today, if I get this right. 63.12, yep. Stop level 8. 8 plus 5 is 13, so that's our stop level. And I will increase this, well, depends on where we cross. That's okay. I have to copy the price. $63.07 would be our stop for this. Changes to VST and at thank you. And I'll add my stop level there. Add some margin. Maybe 10x. More than 10x. What's going to be 15x? Whatever, I'll do 15x, I guess. Yeah, 15x seems decent. Seems like we're still dipping for now. Maybe not a good idea to enter this. These moving averages are still not confirmed, so I have to wait. Same with these ones. Pretty soon, though. I actually don't think we're going to have a chance to enter into Litecoin, but I'll probably come back to it. Let's look at Cardano. It's up, no, I mean down 0.18%. Current price is 33 cents, and the trend it's considered in is no trend for now. Litecoin was good. Cardano down. No, not down. Neutral trend. Solana. Let's look at Solana. It's down 0.47%. Pretty lateral as well between these two levels. I enabled my super trend level here as well to tell me where there's the good. I feel like it gives you good resistance or support levels depending on what the trend is. In the 1 hour time frame though, we're seeing a possible swing down to the downside. So Solana, we could look for shorts. Although I know for sure the price is dipping too hard right now, as should the other prices be doing, like Ethereum and Link that I'm looking at. Let's check the 1 minute chart actually, because what if there is something special? Current price is 144 of this. Yeah, no, the downswing would have already happened a little while ago, so there's no entry in Solana at the moment. We go back to 1 hour and back to another coin. Let's look at Polygon Matic. It is currently considered in an uptrend. Price is currently having a dip, as is everything else. Tiny dip. and price is 41 cents. I'll note that it's in an uptrend, and I obviously don't think we're going to see any good swing here. We're at a pretty low level at this moment. I see a low point over here that could be possible for a good, what would you call it, stop level, right? But we're looking for upswings at this moment, which seems like trend is still headed downwards. The 3 moving averages are all fanned out towards the bottom side. So nothing for now in Polygon, but I'll come back to it soon. Binance is up 0.75%. Current price is $524.19. And it is a neutral trend as well for this, so we do not operate. I'm starting to kick out Phantom and Pepe soon, so I'm going to ignore them. Phantom is up 7% though. Okay, that's piqued my attention. 37 cents? Well, not bad, I guess. Used to cost 34, yeah. So, yeah, there you have Phantom, right? I mean, I'll probably pay attention to Phantom by FOMOing and when it costs $1. If it does reach $1, I'll be... it'll not make me sad anymore, at least. Let's put it that way. It is considered an uptrend. You know what? I'll give it a chance. One more chance. But this time, I swear, Phantom, if it screws me over one more time, I'm done. Currently, swings are to the downside, as is Ethereum and Chainlink. Okay, now I'm getting a bit concerned here. I don't know where... This is my stop level, right? I don't know if the price is going to dip further closer to that. Would depend, though. Would depend. Would have to wait and see. 1 second. Okay. Phantom is... Yeah, for now, nothing. Back to... Well, now we're back to another coin. Let's look at Notcoin. Notcoin is decent. Wait, what is this? Did I lose here? No, I took profit. Oh, this is the one-to-one trade that I did last night. That was a take profit of $100. It could have been 200. But yeah, I didn't want to risk too much either. As of right now, though, no trend in general for Notcoin because of the positioning of the moving averages. So we will keep that as neutral. Phantom was in an uptrend. And Pepe, let's... What is Pepe doing? I really want to get rid of the meme coins from here. It's considered an uptrend. Prices below that, though. I'm not operating Pepe today. I don't want to. Toncoin is up 2.21%. And here we go. $6.41. Yep, considered it an uptrend. Going to the 1 minute chart. Swing is currently headed downwards since a couple of minutes ago here. About an hour ago now. But look at this increase. Like, that is just such consistent growth. I love it. Sometimes, man, Toncoin will just... I'm really liking Toncoin at the moment. But as of right now, we're seeing a clear escalate towards the bottom side. So we do not touch that. Waiting for the moving averages to cross here still and here still, which seems like it's going to be very soon. So I got to get prepared on Chainlink and on Ethereum, seems like. Yeah, Toncoin, I'm optimistic about it. Let me go back to 1 hour chart. I just want to confirm what I'm... Okay, still considered it an uptrend. I want to see what the super trend is telling me, though. Yeah, considered an uptrend. Unless this crosses too far down, or gives me a false signal, I might be fine. So, we just gotta wait. Wait for potential levels. I don't see... This Fibonacci I have drawn here. Look at that perfect bounce, and then an approximate bounce over here, approximate bounce over here as well. So we're kind of stuck within this range of $6.84 and $6 flat, approximately. Yeah, $5.96. Yeah, around those levels is the range zone for Toncoin in the macro perspective. I'll keep the 1 minute chart ready, just in case. And here, we're still seeing downwards movement. Same here. You know what? I'm turning these on, because I just want to make sure that the candlesticks are not being contradictory to what I am attempting to do. Because if they move too low here, like very close to where I would originally put my stop levels, then that could be dangerous. So I just want to be cautious of that. And it would also mean I would have to cram more volume in because of the minimal movement that it's going to be making. But I know for sure when it makes its upswing, that's going to be like around up here. Because that's how it works, trust me. You'll see. Whoops, I did not mean to move that. No, stop. Okay. So yeah, this is what we're expecting for now. Should we check the news? Yeah, I just want to make sure that I do not get myself distracted for too long on the news. Every news that I cover, I'm going to check back to this, so get prepared for that. Alright, here we go. We have Iran rejecting the joint statement made by the United Kingdom, France, and Germany, and Italy, and some irrelevant country, urging it not to attack Israel. Oh, the United States it was. There was 5 countries that sent a letter to Iran saying, hey, please don't attack. But they said, no, you know what? Your request is excessive, according to them, and they believe a retaliatory attack is necessary. So, yeah, as Donald Trump said last night, who cares about climate change if we're about to have a global destruction? What do you call it? Global nuclear warming, whatever you call it. Yeah, that was the big issue. What's the point of climate change? What's the point of all that if in the end we're all going to die to nukes? We got to prevent the nukes first. It's the big thing. In response to that, you can just check in here. So the United States has sent Israel approving a $20 billion weapon package to Israel, including fighter jets. So there you go. They got more stuff to defend themselves with now. And of course, Russia is supplying Iran with stuff. Iran is doing likewise to Russia so that they can help defend themselves in Ukraine. Both the Ukrainian battle, whatever is going on up there. So there's that. What does that cause? Causes inflation, causes global debt. We now hit $315 trillion. A new high. Let's go. All-time high. Right? Isn't that awesome? Anyways, apart from this, hang on, let me just look here. Looks like we might get a swing very soon. Very, very soon. And we're far enough. I'm fine with this. With the stop levels. Let me just turning off the candles again. Because I do want to confirm the swing and that I enter it as soon as I can. Okay, we'll keep that there. Back to this. Joe Biden states that Kamala Harris is equally accountable for the current state of the economy as he is. Right? The global debt keeps increasing. Well, yeah, for the United States, right? And, you know, Kamala's campaign has basically always been, I saw this meme that I was saying, vote for me to do this thing that when I enter the White House, I will do this thing, even though I'm already in the White House, or something like that. Which obviously does not improve her odds at winning the election. And she's also becoming anti-crypto, I'm pretty sure. Of course, this is where the title of this video comes in. The negative headlines about yesterday, or just the media reporting other stuff completely just selling themselves off to Kamala Harris, it seems like. Time magazine posting this kind of pictures about Kamala, and then the same for Trump, but it's this style of a picture saying that it's a meltdown, that kind of thing. And it's not only that, there's of course a lot more. Anyways, if you're not already aware, Trump returned to Twitter with Elon Musk, did the Spaces interview on Twitter, and one of his other activities, other than posting a couple of promotional videos, he hasn't posted an actual, like, general tweet, like, ever since yesterday. But he also unfollowed Mike Pence, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people do not like Mike Pence anymore. So, I don't know, maybe that's a little signal that he's telling us. Before I move on, we're still dipping. Okay, this might invalidate my trades completely, it seems like. That's alright. Anyways, there's that. But in total, though, I would say it was very successful. Combined views of the conversation with Donald Trump and subsequent discussion by other accounts, it's reached 1 billion views in total. Even X confirmed President Donald Trump's space post received 73 million views during a 3-hour period. During that same period, there were 4 million posts about Elon Musk and President Trump's conversation on X, generating a total of 998 million views. in general, that is 1 billion views. And of course, the media doesn't like that. They're just saying, oh, there's rambles, slurs his way through the Elon Musk interview because of his lisp mic. It sounded like Elon Musk had a lisp, but obviously that's debunked. There's another video of Trump speaking clearly there. They're just saying, you know, other stuff. Conversation took forever to start because of the DDoS attack that they suffered. Rambling Trump Musk interviewed marred by tech issues. Like, a lot of headlines already coming out with negativity, of course. And what do the headlines say when they're not talking about Trump? They're talking good about Kamala Harris, right? Seems like I heard that the Department of Justice is breaking up with Google in general, like the parent company Alphabet, because I don't know if it's because of this, but here you can see, of course, sponsored, paid for by Harris for president, is whatever you search up on Google, you're going to see Kamala Harris propaganda saying, hey, look, who is Kamala Harris? Inflation is down. Tim Walz for VP. That kind of stuff. So obviously there's manipulation in the media trying to make people vote for Kamala Harris in that sense, which I mean is fine, but you obviously can't go too wild with this stuff because it's fact checkable. And I mean, honestly, like the most popular one is definitely Trump, and whatever Kamala's numbers are, they're definitely inflated. The images she's posting out are AI, a lot of them. Here's another example of like what I'm saying. I want you guys to listen to this. Hang on. So here you see like a ceremony at the Olympics, right? Do you hear all that cheering? And nobody is, like, there's only 2 people clapping. That is all sound system to make it seem like people are cheering. So it's not even real people cheering, right? So obviously everything you see on TV is also fake, of course. That's the main point of it. Anyways, apart from politics, we've got crypto news. There's a Canadian crypto exchange called, here's more information about it, EasyBTC, based off British Columbia Securities Commission. They revealed that the CEO of the company, or no, just the company in general, seems like they gambled $9.5 million of users' Bitcoin and Ethereum. Kind of an FTX situation going on, except that they didn't party, they just gambled it away. Which, come on. It seems like, though, that this didn't cause too much of an impact, mainly because, number one, it's a Canadian exchange. And, I mean, it's still a lot as well. 935 Bitcoins and 159 Ethereums for personal use in gambling. But obviously they got caught, and they shall face consequences on this. So it's not like they're going to get away with that. Marathon Digital, stamps made in USA on Bitcoin blocks mined. Interesting. FBI will neither confirm nor deny the existence of Satoshi records. People are trying to say now that Satoshi was created by, well, Bitcoin was created by NSA, of course. That's what they're saying. Okay, seems like we're still going down here. What was I looking for shorts? Only Solana. Tencoin was also going up. Okay, what is Solana doing? I think it's one of the trades that I've missed, right? Oh, I got rid of the graph. Yeah, so Chainlink seems like it's not going to happen. We're going to have to find new levels, which it seems like the other lowest level seems to be this one. So I might have to use that. Or whatever the recent low gives me, but that's going to be too high, I think. Well, it depends. We've been in this range for a while, it seems. I'd be content putting a stop below this level if I have to. I'll come back to Chainlink later. Toncoin is still going down. Look at the way it perfectly goes down. I really like Toncoin for trading. Oh, we're dipping harder now. And Ethereum, we're still doing this thing. Let me check with the graph on. Mind you, I did not enter this trade yet. I'm just waiting for, well, to see where I could enter. If this obviously does break, my lowest other reference point would be this level. If not, then possibly this level. But I'm not liking it too far down like this. we are in an uptrend in general, so I'm waiting to see an upswing. Of course, the downswing can go as low as this, as we have seen over here. It's a possibility, so we got to brace ourselves for anything at this point. But yeah, it seems like this level is not going to be good unless we see an upswing here. Starting to get a little bit of green. Alright, we'll see how that turns out. Bitcoin buyers are waiting below 58k. Yeah, same. And Coinbase expands their crypto services to Hawaii. That's the relevant news for today. Not too crazy either. I wasn't too packed on the news, but that's all we've got for now. Here's also something interesting is that the Bitcoin balance on exchanges just hit an all-time low. So, you know what that means. Less supply, more demand. The institutions keep on buying. Wall Street, the ETFs. Yeah, that's going to have an effect on the price of Bitcoin. We also looked at the miner reserves at the same low levels that it was in January. Not January. I don't even know why I said a month. It was in 2021. Same low as 2021. So we might be seeing some boost soon on the price of Bitcoin in general. Okay, this is still slowing down here. Toncoin is slowing down as well. We're looking for upswings, which I'm hoping that we do get. Data's taken a while to load. There we go. Yeah, I'm seeing this uptrend. If you guys are seeing it too. Oh, this is a big uptrend. Let me go to 15-minute chart to show this. This is what I'm talking about. So we grab one of these. Okay, I'm gonna have to adjust it here actually. Like this or something. Okay, never mind. This is a bit odd. From here it seems fine, but this is already too low from this level. It's okay. Just see what happens here, because we touched this level 3 times. Could be a 4th time, and then we start seeing some upwards movement. But we gotta get confirmation of that upswing in the 1-minute chart, which seems like that might be happening soon. And same with Ethereum, actually. I'd be fine if we use this same low right over here, because the other lows are still lower. Okay, we might actually find some possible entry here. Gotta wait for confirmation of the 3 moving averages to switch. Smells like we're gonna have to enter in Toncoin as well, so I will get that prepared. What is the lowest levels though? We don't really have one. Okay, well, that's gonna have to be through this low, which I hate to do. I do not want to do this, actually. Let's look at Litecoin, Chainlink instead. Chainlink was the other option. Don't lose track of Ethereum, though. Yeah, I'm confident we might start seeing some up movement. And here as well, okay. But we did cross below this low, which is unfortunate. Where would I put... I guess I'm going to have to use this low, which I really hate to do. I really hate to do that. There's no other lows. Other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing lower than this, but this is way too low, and I don't want to do that either. Alright. Screw it, I'm using this low. We'll enter here, here. 5 ticks, 3, 6 is 4, 1. Copy the price. Okay. VST account. Stop loss. Here. Money. Whatever. We'll look at Ethereum. Ethereum is ready. Oh my gosh. 112. Enter. Look how much it increased already. And of course from here it'll start to go down. If it does, I will enter Chainlink. 118. Yeah, this is good as well. We'll enter this here too. We'll adjust the open prices for both. Chainlink, which is entry price here. And we'll adjust to take profit as well of 1 to 2. Yeah, that's the issue. Look how much it's increased the need for me to go up now. Well, that's not too bad either. Whatever. This is the profit level. Let's add that to Chainlink. Take profit 230. Okay. And we also have to adjust this. Can you just go to positive already? It's killing me. The entry level is what I have to adjust first. It did not copy. 2706.38. That's our entry price. Adjust this to 1 to 2. Oh yeah, I was gonna plan to backtest probably today. I don't know if I still will. I don't think it's gonna be a possibility, or maybe yes. We're 30 minutes into the stream. Okay, cool. Those are 2 trades for now. Of course, as soon as we enter, price starts dipping, classic. And then if we don't enter, it just shoots up and we regret not entering. That's just the way it works. Alright, cool. I'm going to exit here now. Close this, exit here. And I think that my 2 trades should be saved if they are drawn there still on Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is saved. But it's telling me I entered here, but I did not enter here. Why are you lying? I'll just copy the entry price and adjust it to where I actually did enter, which was here. And paste the entry price. 1.54, that's not correct. Change this to VST, please. I need to see where I entered. Chainlink's doing great so far. Okay, yeah, this is indeed where I entered. This would go here, too. Did I not put a take profit? I did. Why is the take profit not here? It's up there. Why is it up there? Are you serious? What price did I enter? No, I entered up here, apparently. 2706.38. So this is here. Okay. Yeah, that makes more sense. Unfortunately. I would have wished my take profit was lower, but that's okay, I guess. Yep, alright. So far so good. They're doing their thing. Let's look at Chainlink. I want to see if this graph did save. It did. That's beautiful. Alright, cool. We're well on our way there. It's a good thing that we did enter indeed. As soon as the moving averages cross. Alright. Did I miss out on Toncoin? I probably am. I know Toncoin will rally for sure. Do I have enough time to enter? I'll try to be quick with it. I really dislike the fact that this is here, though. That's the only bad thing about this possible trade. But other than that, I mean, Toncoin is really, really solid with its movements. Whatever, we'll risk the 100. We'll do this. 118. Look at that, that's good movement. Wait for it to dip a little. 6419. Okay, let's go on. Right there. Profit at 2. I don't think the entry price is correct, though. It should be 6421. Just one more there. Okay, and then my take profit would be up here. There. Copy this profit price. Let's add it here. Profit. There, 237. Okay, not bad. Let's see how these turn out. Of course, it's starting to dip now again. But look at these kind of movements that Toncoin usually has. It's either in a range, perfect down movement, perfect up movement, perfect down movement, perfect up, almost perfect downward movement, and from here we're seeing a pretty steady increase unless this just completely screws us over and it was a false movement. We're already negative in Ethereum, so that's not good. Link is also not winning as much. I don't think we should be staring into these as too hard. Like I said, should just let these run on their own. Do their own thing. Alright. I did also want to check what is winning, what is losing. I do also want to give a little analysis on Phantom. What is going on with Phantom? Why is it up 6% today? Why is the sky blue? 2 days ago is the recent news from Phantom. That's how you know this project is just done. Best cryptocurrencies to invest in right now. August 11. Near Protocol Athena Phantom. Why Phantom? Let's see if this loads. Alright, I'm refreshing. Nice, it won't let me refresh. Okay, I'm going back. Enjoy this flashbang. Okay, these are not loading. Did I just enter a virus website? Out of memory, oh no. What do I do, reload? Okay, I reload. Or how about we just don't use that article. Hold on. That's crashing my page. That's insane. Go back here. Phantom. Please don't crash again. Let me just read what you gotta say. No, this is loading really hard and my PC is overheating. Is it really overheating? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. I am not... Yeah, just close. Whatever. No Phantom news for you guys today. Now my stuff is just slow. Okay, 10 coin positive. Everything positive. Yay. Link up 110. Yeah, this is loading perfectly fine. CoinMarketCap is tripping. Phantom price prediction. Will Phantom recapture its all-time high? Cryptopolitan. Okay, this is a different website, so hopefully it does not crash. Or run out of memory. No, it's literally not loading. Awesome. You know what? Close. I'll go here to TradingView and see what it says. Okay, Phantom is poised for a massive bull run. Analysts' 234% rally prediction raises eyebrows, including mine, mind you. Phantom Q2 performance, financial metrics react to Sonic blockchain anticipation. Oh yeah, they are doing something with Sonic blockchain. Pretty sure. Do they talk about Sonic here? Control F. Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. Where? It's saying there's 16, but where are they? They're lying, they're lying. This is lying to me. Okay, I'll read this, because this is interesting. I do want to know what Phantom is up to. So, Phantom might be up for a huge price breakout shortly after an analyst, Javon Marks, made public his prognosis of the altcoin. Posting in X, that's how you know this is a valuable source. Marks attributed this to the formation of a hidden bullish divergence in the Phantom chart. Hidden bullish divergence. I'll be the judge of that. How are my coins doing? Good. Hidden bullish divergence. I think day chart might be too harsh. I like 4-hour chart for analysis. Well, this is broken. Let me just fix that. Yep. Hey, we did switch to an uptrend in the 4-hour chart at least. So we might see a possibility of breaking out from here. Anyways, what bullish divergence is this guy talking about? All I'm seeing is a down channel, possibly. I was going to turn off the indicators, but no. Like, I see this twice down here, if you know what I'm saying. Like this. The down channel. Is he probably referring to this? Like, this is his little bullish pattern flag thing. Where's the other here? Something like this, right, is what they typically draw out. Or maybe it's like a longer term one like this. And then the idea is that, you know, if price comes here doing this, it'll break out like that. Is what this candlestick pattern means. I'm just assuming. I have not even read the full article. So let's go back to that. Not this one. This one. So yeah, Hidden bullish divergence in the Phantom chart. According to the analyst, this has the potential to cause a significant rebound in the token, including a 234% upside. At the time of writing, it's at 32 cents. That's a lie. It's 36 now, 36.9. Down 6.7% in the last 24 hours, but sustained a 12.7% rally in the last week. Data for CoinGecko shows. Early stages of an uptrend. Okay, why? Phantom has only begun retracement as price action has become quite cognizant with the asset. The price has experienced some swings, going down to mark a lower low, something that Marks pointed out earlier before giving a massive continuation rally. With this background, Marks assumed that Phantom is probably in the early stages of an uptrend that should undo all prior losses and potentially more. I hope so, because I'm very deep in Phantom at the moment on my main. But I see where he's coming from as of right now. Like, we do see this uptrend, at least in the super trend here, shifting, and the two moving averages are headed upwards as well. The only obstacle I see is this one. We break out from that, our next level we can look up for is seeing Phantom at 46 cents, which, if we get past 50 cents, at least this resistance that I have marked here, then I would agree for sure that we are so back. But to see this, we'll probably have to also see Bitcoin at 70,000 to spark interest in altcoins again, I would estimate. That could be the possibility there. Here's his graphs. After recently confirming hidden bullish... Okay, that's what he just said. Can we expand this image? Okay, well, it just took me to Twitter. Alright. I can see this image now. Here's a flashbang for you guys. This is the bullish pattern. This is just showing broken uptrends from what I see. What is that target? $3? Wait, what is this time frame? Yeah, this is like a longer time frame. I can't zoom in, can I? No, it won't let me. Alright, well, I'll have to squint my eyes. It does not tell me the time frame. But anyways, this is 2023 right here. This is 2024, and here is 2025. So this is obviously a larger scale chart, possibly daily chart. Yeah, it can't be... Or maybe it is weekly. No. Whatever. Could be weekly or daily charts, I'm not sure. But they're estimating basically all-time high levels again. I don't know if I agree with that. At least that early. I would say like mid to late 2025. Yeah, sure, we'll start seeing that. Not early 2025. Okay, what else did it say here? Okay, that's all. Phantom bullish divergence. A bullish divergence in technical analysis where the price makes a lower low while the oscillator shows higher values. That's true, because they diverge from each other. So in such scenario, there is a warning that the price of the asset is prone to reverse, and always carries a hint of the weakness in the bears while cautioning that the bulls are getting stronger. RSI was oversold over here. Yeah, I agree. It's not considered overbought yet, so it's still got the potential to keep moving up, although RSI is still at a dangerously high level. Whoops. At about 61. Not too high either. Like, still it's got the room to grow. It's got to be over 70 for it to be considered overbought, which that should happen once we see a breakout of this downtrend. If that scenario does play out, then obviously we'd see some correction, but I don't think we'll see too much of a harsh correction to break this trend line, because it's been maintaining that pretty solidly. At least, well, we just had to readjust it a little bit here, but overall it should still continue this trend, right? That's been read. According to the technical signals of Marks, if the price plays through in the way outlined above... What way? Phantom may explode to 234% and further. This in itself would not only be a huge bounce for the token, but it might be the perfect opening to shunt the token to a crucial level of $3. $3. I'm expecting $1. That's pretty bullish. Too bullish. And aggressive. So they say a 234%, right? Okay, let me zoom this out for you guys. I don't think we have enough historical data on BingX. Yeah, we don't. Phantom came out here in 2023 for BingX. But a 234% from where we are right now is from here. Please let me... Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button, am I? Yeah, here we go. 234%. Oh, never mind. We're just seeing our high of before. $1.24. Unless he's talking about from here, we see the 200% to $3. That could also be the case. Yeah, that could also be the case. That's about $4 actually, with 220%. I don't know what this analysis is talking about. Let me also just check the coins. Do we hit a stop? No, we're safe for now. Still dangerous though. Alright. This is negative dollars, this Fibonacci. Alright. So there's that. Whether such recovery is in place or not remains to be seen, something that traders and investors are discussing, and most are now watching closely these price fluctuations of Phantom. Since the market of cryptocurrencies is so unpredictable, any sudden movement like the hidden bullish divergence could help in creating major market trends with the help of this technical indicator. Phantom predictions for next week, month, and years based on historical performance. Can I see this? Open image, new tab. Okay, whatever. 7 days. They're expecting it to see it at 33 cents. Well, 34 cents. Wait, is this an increase in price or what the price will be? I don't know. It's saying 1 month up 33 cents. 3 months up 44 cents. 6 months down 27 cents. And 1 year up 99 cents. Is this like compounded on each other or just what the actual price will be? I don't understand. Hold on. That's a difficult analysis to understand. So Phantom price forecast, the altcoin has been signaling a potential uptrend. I almost said struggling. I mean, it is struggling. But yeah, that could be achieved in the next 7 days. Okay. Potential uptrend that could be achieved in the next 7 days. The momentum, mostly driven by buy signals which keep mounting in the key technical indicators, is already happening. Really? Okay. I've already bought too much, but that's okay. According to the price prediction data from CoinCheckup, bullish crossovers have taken place with the relative strength index pointing upwards in a direction towards overbought territory. I mean, yeah, we do see that in the RSI. But we're not quite there yet. In 3 months, Phantom is forecasted to have a 38.87% growth in value on the back of positive market sentiment and growing trading volumes, CoinCheckup figures show. Okay, so 38.87%. And these are telling me the price in... what do you call it? In dollars. Well, in cents. So... If this was the case, let me just add this up here, okay? I don't think it's moving up 33 cents like that in 3 months. That's not correct. Okay, 34 cents, where it is right now, plus 33 cents would give us 67 cents. Plus 44 cents, that's $1.11. Is that... That is not a 38% increase from where the price is now. A 38% increase in price is about there. Well, actually, they don't forget that these guys were saying at the time the price of Phantom was 32 cents, right? So in 7 days it goes to 34 cents. In a month it stays at 33 cents. Okay, so in 1 year they're expecting the $1. Well, 99 cents. 1 year? Yeah, I'm not waiting 1 year for this, man. Maybe I should have to. I don't know. I don't know what to do in this case. Supported by such historical price patterns and Fibonacci retracement levels, Phantom is about to break past several key resistance levels. That I agree with. Further ahead, in its 1 year prediction, shows a massive growth of 207%, placing the altcoin as one of the very attractive investments for people who will be looking at long-term returns. 207%. from 32 cents. Okay. 32 cents about here. And they're saying, okay, let me just turn the magnet off and adjust my levels here, because they're saying it's going to be $1 in this case then, right? Which, yeah, sure, $1 I agree with. And that seemed to me like it was the 200% that they were talking about. Yeah, this is the 200. I mean, if they say 234%, it's about here, $1.08, yeah. But they did mention the $3. I don't know, this is the most confusing analysis I've ever read. But yeah, you don't always trust what you read here, of course. You can see like the technicals, things like this from TradingView. A lot of the stuff is neutral. More stuff is telling you to sell rather than to buy. In terms of oscillators, the summary, and moving averages. Yeah, so we're not completely out of here yet. This would have to switch to either neutral territory or towards the buy territory for us to for sure be on our way towards an uptrend. But we did get confirmation of the super trend changing at least. But that's all. I don't know how probable that scenario might be. Oh, we're losing a lot. Come on, what's happening? We were winning. We were winning really nice. Will I lose live? Probably. Ethereum barely moved up. But I still think this is a strong support. Although it's dangerously close, though. That's what I dislike about it. Oh, we're seeing a stop loss live right here. Unless that was the floor. Nah, we're breaking through that. Okay, so we'll just accept that as lost. Chainlink is still okay. Toncoin is down a lot too. Oh, they started off okay. Now they just all went negative. Ethereum is about to lose. Just bounce back up again so that I can end my stream happily. And yeah, that's a stop loss. What a breakout too. Okay. Well, you know what they say, we gotta write that down. So I'm gonna write it down. Let's go here. I've not showed you my Excel spreadsheet today, have I? Well, it's not doing great. But that's okay. We stick with the strategy. It's still fine. Don't worry. Let's write down Ethereum's open price was this. Closed price was 2691. We lost $112.82 and paid $9 in commissions. Hit the stop loss. Unfortunate, but that's okay. We still have 2 other positions that are open, and that can turn around, although they are losing heavily. But we were also winning heavily. We were winning 100 in Chainlink, imagine that. 100 plus. Let me show you here, back in Chainlink. Yeah, we were like up here. That was pretty good movement. But now we started dipping a little bit, but like I said, it's at a good level, in my opinion. So we'll have to wait and see. But yeah. I've been on for 53 minutes, so I'm going to end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and, yeah, do all that stuff to my channel, and hope to see you.